السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. English.
MySalahMat. Fun, easy, and interactive way to learn Salah. Wudu is the way we clean ourselves before praying. Start by washing Qibla. The Qibla is the direction we pray in, which is to
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Niyyah, intention. Before we pray, Takbir is when we say Allahu Akbar at the start of the prayer with our hands raised. Qiyam means standing up. We stand up during part of the prayer with our right hand placed over our left hand. Ruku'. During ruku', we touch our knees and keep our backs straight. I'tidal is when we stand up straight from ruku'. Sujood is when we place our foreheads on the ground during prayer Fajr. We pray Fajr when it is starting to get light. Dhuhr. We pray Dhuhr in the middle of the afternoon. Asr. We pray Asr in the late afternoon. The number of Fard Maghrib. We pray Maghrib when the sun is setting in the sky. The number Isha. We pray Isha after it gets dark. The number of Fard Julus is when we sit back on our knees and quietly recite Al-Tashahhud. In the last rak'at we also Sujood is when we place our foreheads on the ground during prayer Salat. Julus is when we sit back on our knees and quietly recite Al-Tashahhud. In the Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. At the end of the prayer, we turn to the right and say, after prayer, Salat, we say Dua, which is when we ask Allah for what we need